surface cleaning the pool deck here. Check it out, guys. Pretty cool stuff. We also do pre-treat the concrete before we surface clean it. Alright, the surface cleaner is doing a hell of a job, but we do pre-treat the concrete beforehand just to help lift the algae, mold, debris that you see, that green and black stuff on the concrete that we don't want. When we pre-treat that with our special concrete formula, it helps lift debris easier so we can walk behind with the surface cleaner and pick it up a lot quicker. A lot of science that goes into this. There it comes out looking amazing. We also do driveways, decking, driveways, of course. We do lots of driveways. Walkways, we do your sidewalks for free. Front porches, back patios, and of course, what we do most of is we clean houses. We wash the exterior of housing, gutters, window cleaning. We do all of it on the outside, guys. Don't forget your roof. If you have black streaks on your roof, we do roof cleaning. Especially for your one-story houses, that you can see the roofs a lot better when you're driving in your development or you pull up to your house and all you see is black streaks on your roof. Yeah, we can get rid of all those for you. Just give us a call. We'll give you a free quote. You can even text us, message us, email us, whatever works for you at your convenience. And for us to do the service, you do not have to be home. You can, but you don't have to. Alright guys, how does this look, huh? Coming up pretty good. And the main, in a pool deck like this, you really got to be careful. There's a big pool there that people swim in. We can't be putting chemicals and dirty water in there, right? So we have to be careful where our water's going. We got to keep an eye on that. And we also make sure we're not killing off beautiful vegetation and flowers in people's gardens, right? That will cost you jobs. And if you want to do a job, you better know what the heck you're doing. So give us a call. It's plant friendly, animal friendly. Like the nice family that lives at this house, they have a dog. They have a turtle that eats out of the grass out here. They have kids playing, obviously. So you can't use anything hard. You can't be throwing down hard chemicals that are going to be hurting kids, like acids and caustics. You can't be doing that crap. Our specialized formula works. And we work too. Give us a call, guys. We're just trying to help you out. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm not a sales guy. I don't want to be. I'm just showing you what we do, how it works, how much better your property is going to look. And this isn't like one of those jokes, but it does look like as seen on TV just because of the results. They're so instant and drastic. They really are. Well, we have awesome specials running right now. If you want to get locked into one of our specials, give us a call, guys. Alright. That's all for now. We'll check in later and give you an update when this is done.